Right guys, thanks for watching this video. Right, I'm just gonna do this brief video about this new miter saw I've got. It's a Bosch Professional slide miter saw, a bit smaller than my Mitre. As you all know, my Mitre was just getting a bit too much for me to get in, get out, having to bother people to sort of lift it in and out with me, or getting me two lads to do it, Shelley, all that kind of stuff, and it's unfair. So this is how it comes. I bought this off Screwfix. I will put the prices up on screen, what I paid for it. It was on a bit of a deal, a bit of an offer. And this is, I think you would class it as the 8-inch slide miter saw. And I will put on the spec what it is. It's the GCM 8 SJL from Bosch. And I've read reviews about it, and it's supposed to be quite good. So I'll get into it now, getting it out of the package, and let's see how it is packaged. Always put the knife to one side, don't keep a knife in your hand. So the outer carton looks really good and well packaged, no damage on the outer carton. Now you can get this for home delivery. It says it comes on a pallet from Screwfix, but from the reviews it says it doesn't come on a pallet. I opted to go and get this picked up because I've got a Screwfix that's sort of like not that far from me, round corner. Try not to destroy the box because sometimes Sally wants to keep these boxes. So anyway, let's open that up. Good robust packaging on there. And yeah. Right, so first impressions out of the box. It looks a nice, solid, well-made piece of kit. It's got a Bosch Professional GCM ASGL, and it is, let me see, the bore size of the blade is 30mm, so it's a 216mm blade. It's got laser on it. It's got positive stops on it. All this is like nicely constructed. It's got a single bevel. Not that I use the bevels that much anyway for compound miter cuts and stuff like that, but it's got that sort of feature on it, which is nice and easier than the Mitre what I was using. So there's a lever here at the back, you just pull that and it sort of tilts, and it tilts at a positive stop there. Comes back up, nice positive stop, and you just lock it off. There's a little knob here to lock the thing down, which is nice and easy. I'm quite impressed by the looks of it. Just by the looks of it. Obviously you can lock here. Now these bits here, if you're a beginner and you don't know, like you've got like little bits of wire here, don't think it's bit of the packaging. So don't go cutting that. That's so when you take these wings off, stuff like that, or take them out, you're not going to lose the wings that out like that. So that's what that is. It's got the trench cutter here, like the guide for the trench cutting, so you can pull this in, you can pull it out, you can adjust it with this depth here, which was a nice feature. I was going to opt for a DeWalt one, which roughly the same price, but it didn't have a lot of the features that this one's got. And with it being Bosch Professional, I'm not too well up on Bosch Professional. If you've got any Bosch Professional tools, let me know how you find them. I'm not being sponsored. This was bought off my own money, so yeah. So it feels nice, solid and robust. I believe you can link this up to the Bosch extraction system. I'm just going to use a vac for this. It's got the upgraded dust collection here. Now, all mitre saws are not very good with dust collection. I'm not bothered what mitre saw they are. The highest brands in the world or whatever, none of them are brilliant. So, but this has got an upgraded dust collection sort of shroud here and all that kind of stuff. It's got an Allen key on the back here on board. Just let me spin it round for you so you can see it. It's got an Allen key sort of there on board, so you can change, easy blade change, that kind of stuff. It's all on there for you. Like I say, it's nice solid construction, solid and robust. I'm trying to get everything I can in the video for you. I'm no expert on this, so, but you'll see me doing a cut with it shortly, the first cut. What I'm not going to do on this video is see for square and stuff like that. I believe these come quite squared out of the box, but I'm going to spend a bit more time just tuning it up. It's a new tool. Don't forget, you've got to tune your tools up to get them spot on. Sometimes you can be lucky and everything's spot on out of the box. Other times you just might be a little bit unlucky and you might need to adjust the blade, adjust the bevel, just get some of the, you know, little sort of, you know, the numbers and these gauges into the right place. So just spend a bit of time, and I want to do that off camera because I don't want sort of any interference or anything while I'm trying to concentrate doing that. Plus I'm still learning myself, if I'm perfectly honest with you, so you might see me make a fool out of myself. So anyway, like I say, these wings come out for added support. I don't know what more else there is to say about it apart from let's get a cut done. It's got a nice clamp. That is a good solid strong clamp. Full book of instructions there, which I'll have a brief read through. I know you see people, even myself sometimes on videos, throw in instructions. If it's something little and you know how to use it, that's fine, but when you spend a bit of money on a bit of kit, just have a quick breeze through, because these are the kind of kits you've got to be super careful with. Before any sort of woodworking, DIY, that kind of stuff, your own personal safety comes first at all times. So yeah, let's get into setting it up and getting a cut made. One thing I want to go back and just sort of like re-go through what I said in the last bit of the instructions. These little metal things here, I said were attached to this. They're not, they're attached to these. So when you take them off, you know, you're doing certain cuts where you need to remove them, you don't lose these here, so that was my mistake. These are them extended, they lock down. I've got plenty of room there, there's enough room for me there. I will make it so it stands a little bit higher. Goes down. It's not plugged in or anything at the moment. Slides really nice. And it comes with a Bosch 48 tooth blade, so that's a bit of an added bonus as well. I don't know what the blade will quite be like, but it's got that 42 tooth blade. Blade cut on that feels really nice as well. So anyway, My first initial impressions of it is quite good. It's going to be handy for me. I've just, like I say, I've got to tune it up. It's got a nice carry handle here, but when I lifted it over, it was easy manageable for me. It weighs in at just over 17 kilogram, but because of the weight distribution here, it doesn't sort of feel that. It, you know, it is that. But yeah, I'm quite over the moon with it. Obviously, there'll be other things I find with it, which I'll update you on. If you've got any questions on its use, that kind of stuff, please feel free to ask. You'll see me using it in a lot of my videos. I'm quite happy with it. Don't forget, I got it from Screwfix, which is normally a bit more expensive than everywhere else. It's just that it was local to me, and I got it where they're having like some sort of sale. I got it sort of £40 cheaper than the next best place where I could get it. So anyway, that's that. This is the Bosch Mitre saw, and don't forget, I've already put the price on for you. I'll put a link to a description one down below where you can get it off Amazon. Probably be a bit more dearer there, but if you're a bit like me and you just want convenience, but please shop around for the best deal on this saw. One thing I will mention, you get a guarantee with it for a year from where I bought it from, but I believe if you go on the Bosch website, you can get a 3-year guarantee. They don't tell you this, but you can get that Bosch 3-year guarantee. I'm led to believe. I'm going to check that out, and I will update you on that. So anyway, let me know your initial thoughts. If you're like me and you're a bit sort of physically impaired, should I say, and you need something a bit smaller, that's going to be ideal, isn't it? Thanks for watching.